So people think of weddings and they think super expensive.
Yes.
And a lot of times that's correct, right? The more people you have, the more money you spend.
Yes.
But today I want to show you some creative ideas that don't look like you spend a lot of money.
Let's do it.
So the first is the escort card display. A lot of couples typically
that sounds a little dirty, especially for a wedding.
Sometimes
Does
dirty.
everybody have their escort card with them?
Can I help you with that escort card? So sometimes you'll find just a table with folded paper cards, right?
Right.
We're taking it to a next level and we're designing a full display.
Oh, that's cool.
What we've done is we've done it all out of gift boxes.
Oh,
So
fun.
you buy boxes, you cut paper to match the color of your wedding, the theme of your wedding. And if you're anything like me, I have really bad handwriting. So you just get some stickers.
I love this idea.
Thank you. You just grab some stickers.
So you go to your alphabet, your place in your alphabet,
Yep.
and you look for your name and you see your table number.
Exactly.
That's so clever.
Yeah, and then you don't have to pick anything up. You don't have to walk around with a card that you're gonna lose.
Wandering around with those stupid little things, and you
Yep.
just feel like am
Where
I
do
gonna
I
be a
put this?
popular kid? I don't know.
Which table am I at?
Yes, exactly.
And then if you have a color or a theme, you just match that in with the colors of the paper.
That's
and what
so
we've
cute.
done, rather than hire a stationery, you can print this at home
Sure, of course.
on your printer, and then you just cut it out in a circle, fit it right
Pop
in
it in
here,
there.
and tack it up on the board.
Pop it up here.
Tack it right on. And now this is our A to B.
A to
Yep.
B. Well, mine's
Just
drunk.
kinda- Is it
I
Friday
broke
yet?
the box. Literally, it's one thumbtack.
Rachel, you had one job.
I know, and
One job.
I let you down, man.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Okay.
Let's see. Can we do it? You did it.
Kinda.
There we go. You did it. And then you pop the A to B
I
right
popped
here.
the A to B.
And there you
Ta-da!
go.
Let's
And
move
it's
on before it
perfect.
falls
We're
down.
moving on. We're moving on.
This I love.
Yes, so again, I'm a little bit over paper if you can't tell. So rather
Yes.
than have a paper place card where, which seat am I at?
Right.
You go to a general store and you buy tiles for $1. This is marble for like $1 to $2.
It is so cool.
And it's chic and it elevates in just a
And
minute.
if you live in the country, that's the Ace Hardware store. And if you live in the city, it's the hardware store, like literally in your neighborhood.
On your
has
corner,
these.
absolutely.
Yep.
And if you don't have great handwriting, back to stickers.
I love these dang stickers.
It's so relaxed, kind of like therapy.
It really is.
Drink a little wine.
I was just gonna say, but I need some wine.
Yeah, you and I both. Red, white, rosé. You're so
Love.
fast. Can you do
Love.
mine? I'm going so slow.
Sure, I'll do your stickers.
Thank you. And then what's amazing is this is a nice favor. It's a gift.
I love
right?
it. And you can take home your little plaque.
Everyone's obsessed with their name, and now it's theirs.
There you go. It's very
Yeah,
cute.
It's your own gift, so you just
Ta-da!
take it on home.